What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Brandon Brews channel. Today I got some treats. There is a company called Zeera. They sent me some stuff and they want me to open and show you guys what it's all about. Stay tuned. Let's do it. Alright, so first we have this Zeera 3-in-1 foldable travel wireless charger. I have two cases as well. One is a clear case and I think one is like a smoke case. I did not open these. I only know what they sent me from the email that they sent. This is a USB-C cable and it's like braided, and these are clutch right now. Like if you get your hands on one of these, they last forever. So we're gonna open it and we're gonna see what it's all about. Let's do it. All right, first we're gonna start with the wireless charger. Like I said, these guys are clutch. I'm gonna let you see the description of it. So this is a foldable open panel one. I remember Apple was selling one probably for $100, but this is a more affordable. I'll be sure to link their site below, and also I'll put it on the screen as well if you are interested. So it says max 15 watts, max 5 watts. So these are going to be your AirPods that you would choose, and you will be able to charge your Apple Watch and you'll be able to charge your phone. So what I really like about these, I am able to take these and pop them into my bag, into a hotel, because you don't have to bring 3 separate chargers. You just bring one that charges everything. So let's open it. I like the color of these boxes. They are really nice. And let's see what comes inside. Oh, you have another cable. And this is USB-C to USB-C. We have a little instruction manual. This is pretty self-explanatory. So as you see, I do like that they show the watch, and they are showing that you can actually point this. You actually can change the direction of the actual charger. So if you want to make it into a stand. All right, here we go. All right. I'm liking the way this feels. It has like a rubbery texture feel. And it's got some weight to it. I do like that it's pretty solid. All right, so that's what it's going to. So these actually are magnetic. I felt it when I opened it. You hear that? You see that? So it's going to come together, and I'm pretty sure you could use it just as a charger for your phone. So what we're going to do, we're going to demonstrate and see how plugging it up goes, and we're going to give it some power and actually see what happens. We're going to see if we got any pretty lights or anything. Sometimes these chargers have that kind of thing going on. So we're going to charge it there, and let me get some power. All right, so we have power here. So we have 2 LEDs, it looks like, and we're going to simply put the iPhone 14 Pro Max on the charger, and we're going to see what happens. All right, and you see it turned blue. Now it's charging. I did plug this into an Anchor wall nano charger, and I'll show you guys that this is the one that I did use. So we're gonna see what happens. I will be putting the iPhone 14 Pro Max on the charger. Let's put some AirPods here and see. Now these AirPods are in the case. I'm not gonna take them out the case. We're gonna see, can we get a connection through them? Let's see, maybe. There we go. We are getting a charge. So we see that both sides turn blue. Pretty sure the instructions might actually tell us about the lightning. Pretty sure the lights may turn green or something when it's done charging. We're gonna put the watch on here as well, just to see how that goes. All right, it's all charging. Everything is charging. And I like about also with the watch, you are able to stand it up. So if you wanted to, and this is in case you have a band, like a metal band, you are able to put that around, and let's see how that goes. Yep, it's charging. There you have it. So this is a nice little setup. Like I said, I will link this product below if you're interested. It is nice, sleek. I love the black. And I just like how clean this is. This is clean, and you know how black is, it just works. Man, this case looks really nice. All right, now I think this one has a stand as well. So you are able to use that stand. And I actually like that this does have, oh, it's really sturdy. Because a lot of these cases come out being flimsy. So we're gonna, ooh, oh yeah, this is gonna be my favorite case. I'm rocking this. This is really nice. And I need a new screen protector, as you can see. But yeah, oh, this feels really nice. So let's stand it up just to see. We're gonna stand it up this way. Oh, wow. Looks really nice. Looks really nice. So if you wanna watch something. All right, guys, once again, like I said, I will link everything below. If you are interested in needing a new case or a wireless charger, you should check this company out. So far, I'm loving the feel of this as well. This feels actually like the charger. So it doesn't seem like it's gonna get beat up a lot. And I'm gonna rock this. I'm gonna be rocking this now. This is my new case. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed.